Bore da, good morning. It's Jo from Talk and Play. Today we're going to read Incy, Wincy, Spider. Are you going to help me to sing the song first? Yes, come on then, are we ready? Incy, Wincy, Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Well done, good singing. But Incy decided to look for somewhere new to live. Maybe between these bricks, he thought. But it's too small in here, said all the scurrying ants. Oops, said Incy. Oh. So Incy wandered off, looking for somewhere new to live that wasn't too small. Maybe under this stone, he thought. Shall we look? Yes, well done. It's too dark in here, grouched the beetles. Oops, said Incy. Oh. So Incy wandered off, looking for somewhere new to live that wasn't too small or too dark. Maybe inside this box, Incy thought. Are you ready? Steady. Well done, go. It's too full in here, said the mice, and squeaked the mouse mother. Oops, said Incy. Oh dear. So Incy wandered off, looking for somewhere new to live that wasn't too small or too dark or too full. Maybe behind this plank, thought Incy. You ready? Steady. Go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It's too dangerous here, growled the enormous dog. Oops, said Incy. Incy scuttled off as fast as his legs could carry him. This is all much too difficult, thought Incy, about to give up. But then he found the perfect spider web. Shall we see if he likes it? Come on, Incy. Up you come. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, I like your new home, Incy Wincy. Well done. Well, did you enjoy that story? Yes, I did too. We'll see you again soon. Hwyl fawr. Bye-bye.